Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone and welcome to Mimnu Podcast
Best Cihui.
Today we have two amazing guests with us to talk about the importance of practice in making progress. Let's dive right in. Karissa, why don't you start by telling us how practice has helped in your life?
Sure, thanks for having me. Well, practice has been a big part of my journey. For example, I used to struggle to memorize Quran, but by practicing every day, I have definitely improved over time. It's amazing how little steps each day can add up.
That's great, Karissa. Consistent effort really does pay off. Zahra, how about you? Any experience with practice and progress you'd like to share?
Absolutely. Practice has been crucial for me too. I remember when I started to learn a new language. It felt overwhelming, but by practicing speaking and listening regularly, I can now have a simple conversation. It's all about gradual improvement.
Excellent point, both of you. So, Karissa, can you tell us how you stay motivated to practice even when it gets tough?
Well, I think setting small goals is help a lot. When you see yourself is achieving those goals, it's motivating. Also, I enjoy the progress itself. When I memorizing Al-Quran, it can bring me peaceful.
That's a fantastic approach, Karissa. And Zahra, how do you handle those days when you feel like you are not making progress?
I think everyone happens it. On this day, I remind myself why I start. I also find it helpful to take a break, recharge, and then come back it later with a fresh perspective. It's important not to get discouraged.
Wise advice, Zahra. Finally, let's wrap it up. What's one piece of advice you give to our listener about practice and progress?
I say be patient with yourself and don't compare your progress with others because everyone is unique.
And I did add that consistency is key. Keep showing up and putting in the effort, and you will see the result over time.
Thank you both for sharing your insight on practice and progress. It's been a pleasure having you on the podcast. And to our listener, remember that practice really does make progress, so keep at it. That's it for today's episode. Until next time,
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.